Namaste dear students, welcome back. So I am here with next problem. So in indices, so moving to the next problem, problem number 6. So the problem is simplify x to the power b divided by x to the power c whole power a into x to the power c divided by x to the power a whole power b. Next is into x to the power a divided by x to the power b whole power c is equal to 1. So this is the problem. X to the power b, x to the power c whole power a, x to the power c divided by x to the power a whole power b, x to the power a divided by x to the power b whole power c. So now which law you are going to apply over here? Yes. So that is first division will become a minus. So that is the law we are applying here, a to the power m divided by a to the power n, that is equals to a to the power m minus n. So that law we will apply over here. So that becomes x to the power b minus c, correct? X to the power b minus c whole power a. Understood? So next into same way x to the power c minus a whole power b into x to the power a minus b whole power c. Clear? So when power and whole power is there, so we have to multiply. Okay, we have to multiply. So that is b into a, c into a. So that becomes a into b, so that becomes x to the power ab, x to the power ab minus c into a, ca, so that is ca. Okay, into the same way cb ab, that is x to the power c into b, cb, x to the power cb minus AB, A into B, AB. Same way into x to the power AC, x to the power AC minus x to the power BC. Okay, so when bases are same, powers can be added. When bases are same, powers can be added. Clear? So when bases are same, powers can be added. So by considering that, so what we will do next is x to the power ab minus ca, x to the power ab minus ca plus cb minus ab plus ac minus bc. Whatever the powers I have copied, so instead of into I have added, because when powers when base value is same, powers can be added. By applying that law, ab minus ca plus cb minus ab plus ac minus bc. So now common factor should be deducted. Okay, so that is minus a plus a, so that has to be deducted. So if you deduct that, so you will get the answer. So can we do that now? Yes. So see, look at here. So a plus a and minus a get cancelled, plus b and minus b get cancelled. Okay, then plus c minus c. Okay, then plus a minus a, then plus b minus b get cancelled, c plus c minus c get cancelled. So ultimately the answer what we got, so everything got cancelled because minus into plus, so by considering that we cancelled everything. So after cancellation, what is the answer we got? X to the power of 0. So that is, we got the answer, that is equals x to the power 0. So by applying a to the power 0 is equal to 1, by applying that law, x to the power 0, that is equals 1. So ultimate answer is 1. Clear? Yes. So next I am moving to the next problem, that is seventh problem. Seventh problem, that is show that a to the power m divided by a to the power n whole power m to the power 2 plus mn plus n to the power 2 into a to the power n divided by a to the power l whole power n2 plus ln plus l2 l to the power 2. So into a to the power l divided by a to the power m. So whole power l to the power 2 plus ml plus m square equals 1. M to the power 2 equals 1. So this is the problem. So L to the power 2 plus ml plus m to the power 2, that is equals 1. So this is the problem. So we have to solve this. So we are applying which law over here? The previous problem law only, that is a to the power m divided by a to the power n equals a to the power m minus n. When you divide, the power should be deducted. Instead of dividing the base, power should be deducted from the base. Okay, so the same logic I am doing here. So now look at, that is equals a to the power m minus n whole power, write down now, m to the power 2 plus mn plus n to the power 2. Okay, then into is there, right? So write that multiplication into next a to the power n minus l whole power n to the power 2 plus ln plus l to the power 2 into a to the power l minus m, a to the power l minus m whole power l to the power 2 plus ml plus m to the power 2, that is equals 1. Okay, so now next step, multiplication. Next step is multiplication. So we have to go on multiply each value, because once we get the multiplication, then we can start adding it to it. So next you have to do the multiplication. So that is, which law you are going to apply? M into n. Okay, so direct multiplication we have to apply. So first one I am taking, that is this one I am multiplying this section. Okay, so try to understand. A to the power m into m to the power 2. M into m to the power 2 is m to the power 3. M to the power 3, clear? Plus m into mn square. Sorry, plus m into mn. So that becomes m to the power of 2 n plus m into n square mn to the power 2. Clear? So I am done with m. So minus n now. So since minus is there, minus symbol, minus n into m square. So that becomes minus nm to the power 2 minus n into mn, that becomes minus m n to the power 2 because n into n minus n to the power 2 that becomes minus n to the power 3. Okay, into. So next for this I am going to do now this one. Okay, so that is a to the power n. So I am going to multiply into a to the power n into l square. So that becomes nl square. So that becomes nl to the power 2 plus n into ln. That becomes ln to the power 2. Then n into l to the power 2. That becomes plus n l to the power 2. Okay. So the same way minus l is there. Minus l into l to the power 2. So that becomes minus l to the power 3. Next l minus l into ln. So minus l l to the power 2n. Next l minus l and l to the power 2. That becomes minus l to the power 3. Minus l to the power 3. Clear? Okay. So next we have to solve the last one, that is l and ml and m to the power 2. So this one I have to multiply. So I am multiplying, since there is a shortage of space here, I am multiplying here. So that is into a to the power first l into l to the power 2. So that is l to the power 3 plus l into ml. So ml to the power 2 plus l into m to the power 2. So l m to the power 2 minus m l to the power 2 ml to the power 2 minus m ml. So that is minus m into ml, m to the power 2 l minus m to the power 2 will become minus m to the power 3. So this is what simplified. So next what we have to do, so we have to cancel the common one. So here look at one by one, which are all common, plus and minus, that you have to cancel. M to the power of 2, m to the power of 2, n, mn to the power of 2, mn to the power of 2. Okay. So the left out is m to the power of 3 and n to the power of 3. The same way here also, a to the power of nl square. Okay. So see nl square. So here l to the power of 2, l to the power of 2, n gets cancelled. So next again ln to the power of 2 is there, that is a plus, and ln to the power of 3 is here. So that we have to cancel with the n to the power of 2. If it is there, that also we can cancel. Okay. So next is l to the power of 2, l to the power of 2, l to the power of 3, l to the power of 3 is left out. Okay. So which we can cancel. So here lm to the power of 3, common thing, just check. ml to the power of 2, ml to the power of 2, then l m to the power of 2, m to the power of 2, l3 m3 is remained common over here. Okay. So next what we have to check, so which are all left out, that we have to check. Which are all left out, that we have to check. So here ln to the power 2, recheck once, nl to the power of 2, ln to the power of 2, this l to the power of 3, this minus and minus, this can be cancelled. So this L1, this L2, that becomes L to the power of 3. So this L to the power of 3 get cancelled. So left out is here n to the power of 2, then n to the power of 3, that is 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, that I'll show you in the next step. So left out is a to the power, since bases are same, I'm adding it. Left out is a to the power of m to the power of 3 and n to the power of 3 minus n to the power of 3. Okay, so then in this section a to the power of n2 and 1n, so that becomes n to the power of 3 minus l to the power of 3, correct, into a to the power of l to the power of 3, then minus m to the power of 3, sorry, minus m to the power of 3. Okay, so now when bases are same, powers can be added. When bases are same, powers can be added. So let us add the powers. So that becomes a to the power m to the power 3 minus n to the power 3 plus a to the power n to the power 3 minus l to the power 3 plus l to the power 3 minus m to the power 3. So here plus m minus m get cancelled, minus n plus n get cancelled, minus l plus l get cancelled. So that is equals a to the power 0. So a to the power 0 is always equals to 1. So the ultimate answer is 1. So understood? Yes. It looks bit tricky, but if you multiply properly, it is the easiest one. If you multiply properly, this is the easiest one upon all we have solved so far. Okay, so next I'm moving on to the problem number 8. Problem number 8, so which has been asked in the year April-May 2011, University of Mysore. April-May 2011, University of Mysore. So simplify 5 to the power 2n plus 3 into 10 to the power 4n plus 1 divided by 25 to the power 3n plus 2 into 16 to the power n minus half. So let us convert those things. So 5 to the power 2n plus 3 into, so if I wanted to get 2, how many times I have to multiply? 2 5s are 10, correct? So 2 into 5 to the power 4n plus 1. Understood? I have done so many problems like this in 2 marks also. So next 25. So if you want to get 25, so LCM for 25, how? 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So 5 to the power 2 is the LCM. So 5 to the power 2 whole power 3n plus 2 into 16 is there. So say for 16 LCM, you know, right? That is 16. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s are 2. 1 2 3 4. So that is 2 to the power of 4. So that is 2 to the power of 4 whole power, that is n minus 1 by 2. n minus 1 by 2. So in the next step. So what are we going to do? So we are going to convert this. So that is the common factor, so which we can write commonly. So that is 5 to the power 2n plus 3. 2n plus 3. 5 to the power 2n plus 3 into 2 to the power 4n plus 1. 2 to the power 4n plus 1 into 5 to the power 4n plus 1. 4n plus 1 divided by so that is 2 3s are 6, correct? 2 3s are 6. So 5 to the power 2 3s are 6n plus 2 2s are 4 into 2 to the power 4n. So that is, if you multiply 4n's are 4n. 2 to the power 4n minus 4 into half 2 minus 2. Understood? So now this is the simplified version of that. So next, further moving to the next step. So after that, what are we going to do after this step? 4n minus 2 after that. So common to be added to the common. So I'll write it here so that you don't get confusion. 5 to the power 2n plus 3 into 2 to the power 4n plus 1 into 5 to the power 4n plus 1 divided by 5 to the power 6n plus 4 into 2 to the power 4n minus 2. So that is equals, now common bases are added. 5 to the power 2n plus 3, 5 to the power 2n plus 3 plus 4n plus 1, 4n plus 1 into 2 to the power 4n plus 1 divided by 5 to the power 6n plus 4 into 2 to the power 4n minus 2. Okay, so now you can deduct or you can subtract. So which law you can apply over here? So that we can apply this law, that is a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So this law we can apply over here. So I am applying that. 5 to the power 2n plus 3 plus 4n plus 1 minus 6n plus 4. This plus becomes minus when you shift, it becomes minus. So then into 2 to the power 4n plus 1 minus 4n minus 2. Minus becomes plus. So minus becomes plus because we are shifting to the upper side. So now cancel. How many n's are there? Plus 2n plus 4n, that is 6n, correct? 4n plus 2n, that is equals to 6n, get cancelled. 3 plus 1 4, so 3 plus 1 4. So then 5 to the power of 0 into 4n minus 4n get subtracted, plus 1 plus 2, that is 3. So that is 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3. So that becomes 5 to the power of 2, 5 to the power of 0, that is 8 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Therefore 5 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So 1 into 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 2 to the power of 3. So 2 to the power of 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So ultimate answer is 8 for this. So ultimate answer is 8 for this problem. So I believe you have understood. So I'll stop here. I'll come back with one more video very soon. Till then, take care. See you soon. Bye bye. Stay safe. Take care of your family members. Bye.